Okay, we're here. We're on the fourth floor at room 4296. We have a regular resort view room here at the BoardWalk Inn. Show y'all what it look like. First off, the lobby was super nice, like very nice. When we walked in, it just seemed real fancy, classy. Definitely looks like they put work into this hotel. So right here we got a little closet with mirrors on them. It looks like some type of look cool, like carnival style type thing. Cool, nice spacious storage. Right here we got fridge. The fridge, a coffee machine, an ice bucket. See this bathroom. Cool, got a little Mickey artwork on the wall. Towels. Disney always usually got them clean, so like I always say Universal, sometimes I gotta check them, but here it's usually always never a problem with the towels. Washcloths is probably clean. Yep. Everything looks good. I like Disney's like the soaps and stuff. We got good toiletries. Mirror here, nice mirror. Got some fancy hand soap in here I never seen, some body lotion. Let's see, got a mirror. And here's the toilet with the shower combo. It looks clean, very nice. Of course, you got all your stuff on the side here. Body wash, conditioner, shampoo. Everything looks clean. I like the color design they use. I think they remodeled these rooms like 3 years ago or something. But here's the room. Nice. We got 2 queen beds. So yeah, Disney beds is always comfortable. I already know how that goes. We got some artwork on the wall, some fancy Disney stuff. Got some drawers. Nice dresser. It's cool designs. Like I like it. It's just, you could tell it's like detail, quality. The Disney phone. Got this little thing. Order stuff or something on there. It's like a little tablet. Oh, they got a drawer here. Bible. Over here. Oh man, I started them up.
I'll show you some of the ways Hey Disney can help you experience more magic.
Tune her out real quick. We got the couch here. The couch is nice. I know it's pull out, or not pull out, but it turns into a twin size bed. So that'd be cool. I think we're gonna use that. We got some family coming over. We got a lamp right here. Yeah, and then we got a little chair right here. Very nice. Some more. They got these lamps on the side with the mirrors. And we have USBs with the plugs, regular and just the USB. Yeah, I like it so far. It's a nice little lamp on the ceiling. But out here, this part I like about Disney is like they usually give you a balcony. So yeah, we got a balcony. It's a little small balcony, but that's cool. Any balcony is cool because we love having balconies. Let me open this up. Show y'all the balcony. Very nice. I like this. We're in the cut. I don't like being all like in everyone's face too much. It's like if people on their balcony, they can see you, but that's cool. Look, we got some 2 chairs here, a little table. Yeah, it's cool. They look a little old, but it's an old resort, so I understand. Maybe they could have remodeled these, but it's all good. I like this view. We got the little courtyard view. 4th floor. Yeah, I like it over here, man. It'll be nice, like at night, just chill out here. Maybe just cool it. But yeah, I'm gonna show you guys the rest of the resort too. But yeah, it's nice. I like it. We're gonna be here for 2 nights, so definitely gonna explore the restaurants and stuff and what it has to offer. You know what I mean? You guys a tour of the lobby, everything else in the resort. Right now I'm just outside. This is the way to the boardwalk. You can walk down them steps. This is like a little lobby, driveway thing. So I'm gonna show you guys everything that's like. It's a little coffee shop. Look, the old school carousel in the middle.
I believe so. And you know what's crazy?
Yeah, Disney cruise ship over here. It's real peaceful out here. Take an elevator to the boardwalk. Cool little coin machines. Little charger station. It's a little calm, relaxing area. It's like the bar is closed. Actually, I think our room is like over here. Our room is like right there. Last night we slept good. It was just like a late night. Beds was comfortable. These are cool. I think those are like little villas or something like that. That's dope. So here's one of the pools. Those villas are nice. It's like your own crib. Here goes the pool. So this is a smaller pool, I believe. I don't want to record people in there right now, but it looks okay. It's a real small pool. The other one's the bigger pool, I'm guessing. It has like water slides and stuff on it. Walk back to the front. I'm gonna walk down to this boardwalk. We was here last night. It was cool. We went to like, they have like a little dance hall thing open till like 1 a.m. So it's like a little bar. They play some music. Music was alright, but I wasn't expecting some crazy bangers playing. Here. This is cool stuff out here. They got the Flying Fish restaurant over there. I might try that later on, maybe. Here's the gym. Found the gym. Looks nice. It's nice and spacious. Weights, all type of machines. And there's the arcade over here. So everything's like outside kind of. Some more arcade machines. There's the pool out here. Looks cool. It's like a carnival style. Or like even like, yeah, I would say carnival. Very cool. You can see the Swan Resort in the back. There's a little slide right there. Nice. So yeah, you can walk to the parks easily from here too. This is right here, Hollywood Studios. And then you're close to Epcot too. But yeah, man. We're gonna get into the pool later on today. There's some of the dining options. They got Flying Fish. I think it opens at like 5. You see what they got in the menu.
Do you want this now?
Looks cool. It looks like some dinner type menu. Dinner vibes. You got this corn dog spot. This spot, Trattoria. Never seen that. It's like pizza. You see the pizza over here. This spot got some margaritas.
I don't care that you're dry. I don't care that you're dry.
Got this spot called BoardWalk Deli. Some ice cream. I heard about this cake place up there. We're gonna go ahead in the deli. It's open till 10. Hello. menu. Stuff like that here. Some of the pastries they got. They look cool.
Butter cacao. The Mickey shake brownie. Oh my gosh. That was
Just walking to the ice cream spot. Cake bakery. What type of cakes in here?
Oh, that's a restaurant?
Yeah.
Try to get should still walk around though.
This is their conference center.
We get access to the ballroom. That was a side quest for us.
Ballroom access. They got some art on the wall. Wrap it up there. It seems like we got the whole resort. So yeah, I showed you the gym, show you the pool, lobby, and all that. So hope you enjoyed. Thank you for watching Good Movies Travel. Like and subscribe.